Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use 2026 model LGAC Smart Inverter Remote Control with the demo. Like, share, subscribe and enable the bell icon if you like the video.
This is the 2026 model LG Smart Inverter Remote Control. First of all, the battery. You use only alkaline battery. The look really changed from the last year. Dual inverter model. Looks like a smart TV remote. Looks modern. It has a display backlight and light on the buttons. Easy to use it in the dark. First, the power button. You can turn that music off and also that display. I'll show you later. If you press and hold some buttons, you have some functions. The second button is mode button. You have three modes: the cool mode, dry mode, and fan mode. You can see the icons changing on the top of the display. In cool mode, the AC cools. In dry mode, it's for dehumidification. You can remove the moisture from your room. For example, after a rain, you can feel the moisture inside your room. So you can remove the moisture. In this mode, the third mode is fan mode. In this mode, only the fan works. The cooling won't work. So you can cool the room and you can switch to fan mode to circulate the air. The third button is swing button. This is for vertical swing. You can adjust it. The display will show where the position of the fin. See, now it's on the bottom. Press again, it's rising. See, or you can switch to swing mode, where the fin moves from up to down. You can see. The next button is horizontal swing. This is the horizontal swing. If your AC has that function, it will work or it won't. You can see that on the display. You can move the fin like this. If you don't have it, you can actually manually adjust the fins inside to the left or right. Next, the temperature button. You can increase and decrease the temperature. See, lower is 16 and the higher is 30. So the next button is fan. You can control the speed of the fan. See, maximum, minimum. Comfort button. If you press this, you can see the flap will either set on the top position or on the bottom position. So the air won't directly blow onto you. The next one is VAR. If you press that button, your AC will run at 110% capacity. HC mode. So if you want to cool your room faster, you can use this mode. This is a 1.5 ton AC. My room size is 156 square feet. In 5 minutes, I can feel the heat is removed. In 10 minutes, the room starts cooling. In 15 minutes, the room will be cooled really good. VAR mode, high capacity mode or normal mode. The next is 6-in-1 convertible mode. First one is auto cool. This is an AI mode. In this mode, the AC will detect the temperature of the room and cool it automatically. If you press again, your AC will go to 80% capacity. Then 60. The AC will go to 60% capacity. Then the AC will go to 40% capacity. If you cooled your room enough, you can change to 60% or 80% or 40%. You can keep the AC running at low capacity. The last one is the normal mode. Press this button, the AC will go to diet mode, which is a really low power consumption mode. The cooling will be of course reduced and it's the normal mode. So the next buttons are sleep mode, on and off. If you press the sleep mode, you can see it's now set to 0.5 hours. It's 30 minutes and it's on. All you have to do is just press it and wait. If you press again, it's 1 hour. You just press it, it will automatically set. You can set up to 12 hours. If you want to cancel that, all you have to do is press and hold. See, it's gone. That is sleep mode. If you want to say you are going to sleep and you want the AC to turn off after 30 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hour, you can use this mode. Now the on mode, you can use this mode to turn on the AC after a few hours, 1 to 24 hours. See, 1 2 3 4. You can use up to 24 hours. You can set this to 1 hour and the AC will be on after 1 hour. And this, see, I'm turning it off right now. You can see the on mode is active. The timer is, you can see the timer icon there. After 1 hour the AC will turn on. I can change that. See, 1 2 3 4, press and wait, it will be set. It will be turn on after 8 hours. So the last one is off mode. It's just like the sleep mode. You can use it to turn off the AC. 1 hour, 2 hour, up to 24 hours. Some hidden modes, you have to press and hold the buttons to activate it. You can see it on the back. Press and hold the power button to turn off the Wi-Fi. If your AC has Wi-Fi, it will be turned on. Press and hold. You can hear that sound. Wait till you hear that sound. Diagnosis. Press and hold the mode button for diagnosis. The next one is him clean. That's for cleaning the AC unit. The AC will run at high capacity and wash away all the dirt and dust. Well, anyway, that's what they are saying. So the next one is room temperature. If you press and hold the horizontal swing, it will show the room temperature, current room temperature. See, it's 23.5 degrees. And the next one is auto clean. This is also a cleaning mode. Press and hold the VIR button to turn off the light, the display. See, it's gone. Press and hold the diet button to turn off the music. Press and hold. See, now it's mute. Next you have child lock. You can press and hold 1614 child lock. Now it's in child lock mode. Nothing will work. Now press and hold 16.1 again. So we are back. This one is to clear the sleep functions. Clear sleep on and off. I told you before. Hold it for 3 seconds. See that use alkaline battery only. So that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching my video, friend. Like, share, subscribe and enable the bell icon if you like the video.